Welcome back programmers. In the today's section we are gonna learn about hacking. Whenever we talk about hacking, which programming language is gonna help us to hack someone's Wi-Fi or someone's password or used to hack something. And if you are a smarter programmer, you already know the answer is Python. So with the use of Python, we are gonna hack Wi-Fi password. And we are gonna learn about cybersecurity more in this series. So if you are new to this channel, so please like, share and comment, and most important, subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest update. So without any delay, let's begin. So now if you don't know anything about Python, check out my Python series, because we are gonna use Python programming language to hacking. And in the today's section, I'm gonna talk about how to hack someone's Wi-Fi. But first, we are gonna make that program which give us a already connected Wi-Fi password. Now how we are gonna do this? And for that, we are gonna use a library which name is subprocess. And remember, this is the Python's library, so you don't need to install this. I am using here a Jupyter notebook which has a lot of facility, and if you don't want to use this, you can use PyCharm, text editor, anything you want. So first you need to install and import this subprocess. Now let's run this program. You can see here we ain't got output because in this program we just imported a subprocess. And now we are gonna program for Wi-Fi hacking. And now let's create another variable, named it anything, but I'm gonna name it data because we are gonna store the data in here. In the data, we are gonna use subprocess.checkOutput. I know this things is new for you, but this is only function. In the function parameter, we are gonna write this stuff in here. So the first one is net. We are gonna talk about more in later video, but first just copy this command. And the second one is wlan, the third one is show, and the fourth one is profiles. And then in this function we are gonna decode UTF-8, and we are gonna split -n. -n means new line, means we are gonna split the new line. I know you are new in this video, and so that's why I just copy this command. We are gonna talk more about in later video, but first I'm gonna just showing you how these things is work. And then create another variable, name it anything. I am named it profiles. Now in the profiles variable, I'm gonna fetch all the user profile through this line, profiles equal to i.split and the quotation sign and the double dot, and in the array of 1 and the list for I in data if all user profile in I. So I'm gonna fetch all the user and store it in I variable and return it in the profiles if all user profile in I. Okay, we are gonna talk more about in later video, and the code is in the description, so just check out, copy code and paste it and run it. Now this is for loop. We are gonna use for loop for I in profiles, means I is gonna move one by one in the profiles, and then we just created result equal to subprocess dot check output. And again in the parameter I just entered all the profiles and another profiles, named it I means all the profiles one by one, and key equal to clear dot decode UTF-8 dot split -n means new line. I just talk about this in the data's line, and again I just created result equal to b dot split. Same process in here, but in here I just use I, and in here I just use B. You can name it anything. Now this is the main part. If you don't know Python, so this is us gonna help us to create to solve the error. Means if you don't know about anything of try and except, so just check out my Python series. In here I'm trying print, in the list I'm trying if profile less than 13. So the format is I and result is 0. Result 0 means this is the list. So I am gonna print the first 0 list. It means 0 means anything first array, and the expect index error I'm gonna just print format and I know you are new in this video, so that's why I'm gonna talk more about in the later video, but just for now copy this code and run it in your PC. We are gonna learn more about subprocess and what is this subprocess.checkout, what is format and what is this stuff. We are gonna learn more about in later video, but for now just check it out. Let's run this code. I'm gonna click in here and boom, you can see I got password and the username. So that's why I just entered user equal to profile. You can see here I got Illuminati2, which is my username, equal to Logan6969 hashtag, and Illuminati is none because I am using Wi-Fi, and the Wi-Fi name is, you can see here, this is loading. You can see here the name is Illuminati and this is the open Wi-Fi, and that's why the password is none, and I just connected before. MIA361C7900 is the password. Now I'm gonna show you the interesting thing in here. I'm gonna disconnect this Wi-Fi and I'm gonna create another Wi-Fi, named it Logan, and the password is AllInOneCode. So I'm gonna just disconnect this and I'm gonna just showing you how this thing is work. So I'm gonna just first disconnect this Wi-Fi and I'm gonna create another hotspot and name it Logan, and password is AllInOneCode. So take me 2 minutes. So you can see here I just changed my Wi-Fi username and the password. So let's try again. So the username is Logan, and whenever I connect this and whenever I enter AllInOneCode password and connect this Wi-Fi, you can see here I am gonna just connected to this Wi-Fi, and whenever I connect this Wi-Fi, so I'm gonna paste this code in again here, and whenever I run this code, you can see here I got Logan username and the password is AllInOneCode, and that's how you can see the all connected user and password with Python script. And remember, this data is not a temporary data, so it means whenever I'm gonna copy this data and create another file, and you can see here I'm gonna just copy this and I'm gonna create another file in here, new Python 3, and whenever I'm gonna paste this code and run this code, you can see here paste it and I'm gonna run it, and boom, this data is showing me the password and username. And that's how you can create a simple program to see username and password all the connected to your device. So that is it for today's guys. I'm gonna talk more about in this later video. I'm gonna talk about more in subprocess, what is subprocess, but this is the first video of hacking with Python, and which book I'm gonna use for teach you how to learn cybersecurity with Python. So that book link is in the description, check out that book. And that is it for today's guys. If you like this video, like, share and comment. Thank you.